Sa'id bin Mina from Hazrat Jabir and he from the Prophet ﷺ has reported in this connection. Hazrat Abu Salama bin Abdul Rahman reports that he inquired of Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, how many units of prayer would Allah's Apostle ﷺ perform in Ramadan? She replied, he would not perform more than 11 units in Ramadan or any other month. He ﷺ would perform 4 units and don't ask about their excellence and length. Then he ﷺ would perform 4 units and don't ask about their excellence and length. 8 units of tahajjud. Then he ﷺ would perform 3 units witr. I submitted, O Allah's Apostle ﷺ, you went to sleep before performing witr. He ﷺ said, my eyes sleep, but my heart does not sleep. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3569.